Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong problem coming from the recent Civil Engineering Licensure Exam March 2026, and this is under ng MSTC, specifically for Highway Engineering. Pero before that, shoutout muna sa Lodi Cakes natin, kay Future Engineer Ging Salas and from HCC, and ingat ka palagi Lodi Cakes, and maraming salamat sa suporta mo kay Sir IJ, and I hope you all the best. Ingat ka palagi. So yung problem natin is a road is being designed for a speed of 110 kilometers per hour on a horizontal curve with a super elevation of 6%. If the coefficient of the side friction is 0.10, what is the minimum radius of the curve required for safe vehicular movement? So ano po ba Sir IJ yung equation relating the super elevation, the coefficient of the side friction, and the radius dun sa curve for safe vehicular movement? So dapat alam lang natin yung working equation. That is the super elevation plus the coefficient of the side or the lateral friction is equal to V squared over GR, mga Lodi Cakes. So if ever, most likely yung iba alam tong V squared over GR or na-encounter niya to most likely. Pero yun, ito yung relating the super elevation, the coefficient of the side or the lateral friction, and the velocity as well as the radius for safe vehicular movement. So, paano natin isosolve to, Sir IJ? We are asked to find the radius in meters. So, the first thing that we have to do is we have to convert the speed in meters per second. So, yung V natin is equal to 110 kph. So, sa calculators nyo mga Lodi Cakes, meron niyang conversion. Pero, kung hindi nyo naman alam, basta alam nyo na ang 1 kilometer per hour, kapag kinonvert natin sa meters per second, isimumultiply lang natin to by 5 over 18. Medyo kabisado ko lang yung 5 over 18 na multiplier kasi 1,000 over 3,600. That is 5, that is 10 over 36 or 5 over 18. So ito, diretso na itong pag-convert ng kph sa meter per second. So 110 times 5 over 18, Sir IJ. So this is approximately 30.56 meters per second. And then i-substitute lang natin si super elevation, that is 0.06 because that is 6% plus the coefficient of the lateral or the side friction, 0.10, is equal to the speed na kinumpute natin in terms of meters per second, 30.56 meters per second squared all over the product of the acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by the radius which we are looking for. And then you can do shift solve. So 30.56 squared divided by, this is 0.16, multiplied by, ilan yan Sir IJ? That is multiplied by 9.81. So therefore, the correct answer is approximately 595 meters. So the correct answer for the given or for the past board problem is letter C, 595 meters. So yun guys, ano ba importante dito, especially for our future civil engineers? The working equation for the super elevation, the coefficient of the side or the lateral friction equals V squared over GR. So yun lang mga Lodi Geeks, sana may natutunan kayo or na-refresh man lang kayo for today's video. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best mga Lodi Geeks, and don't forget to join our raffle para sa mga engineering math books na pwedeng magamit, especially dun sa mga freshmen or those who are preparing for those who are starting to prepare for their board exam. So thank you so much everyone. Bye-bye and God bless.